Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in AutoCAD. In this tutorial, we are going to model this 2D drawing using AutoCAD. For that, first go to the AutoCAD software. So this is the AutoCAD software. We are using Autodesk AutoCAD 2022. First go to New, just go to New here. Now we are in the new window. For easy explanation, I am just keeping this file left side and here this one in the right side. Now it is enough. First, before start modeling any component, first check the units. Our units are in millimeter, so we need to check the units. For that, type units, enter. You will get this dialog box. Default it is in inches, so here it is decimal. Here 1 decimal is enough. Then here we make it millimeter. Then say OK. Then we need to set the limits. Just type limits. This corner it is 0, 0, 0, 0, just enter. And this corner we need to specify the dimension which is bigger than the dimension of our model. X dimension is 75, Y is 40. Then we'll take 100, 100, 100, just enter. Then go for Z, enter, A, enter. That's it. Now we have set the view. Then we'll start modeling this component. For this component, first I am going to start with the rectangle. Then I will start modeling the other features. First go to the here corner rectangle. Just simply select it here. X length is 75. Just press the tab. You will get you can able to edit the other dimension which is 40. 40, enter. Now I have created this rectangle. Then we just want to create this chamber. This chamber 10 indicates that X length is 10 and Y length is 10. So the same way we just want to apply it. Here you can see there is an option called fillet. The other option is chamber. We can simply take it from here also or type CH, you will get the chamber feature. First it is asking there are different features in the chamber: undo, polyline, distance, angle, trim method, multiple methods. Now we are going to start with the distance. So D, enter. First chamber distance is 10. Second chamber distance is also be 10. Just enter. Then it is asking us to choose the lines. We can choose one first line and second line will get the chamber. The other option is we can go for polyline. By choosing a polyline, it will default, it will apply a chamber to every corner. Just P, enter. Then simply select this line. You can get the chamber in every corner. Yes. Now we have created this outer line feature. Then we just want to create this inner feature. We have the rectangle. The rectangle length is 55 and width is, here they have given a radius of 5. That means width is 10 mm. First just simply create one rectangle. I'm just simply creating a rectangle. Length is 55. Just tab and width is 10. Just enter. 10, enter. Now I have created a rectangle. Then just select this rectangle. This is the polyline rectangle. Then just simply move it. Just move it. So this is center point. Just select the center point. And here also you can able to choose it. Choose the center point. For easy moving, there should be a triangle here. Similarly, there should be a triangle here too. Yes. Now we have created this center rectangle. Then you just go for here. Switch on the center feature. Circle center, geometric center. Yeah. Switch on this geometric center. You will get a geometric center also. Now we just want to create this vertical rectangle. Vertical rectangle height is 20 and same width is 10 mm. Again take the corner rectangle. Here this one is 10. Tab, height is 20. Just 20, enter. Then simply select this one. Then go for move. Now you can get this geometric center point. Similarly, here also you can get the geometric center point. Now we can easily place hit. Then we just want to create this round semicircle. For that we are going to use the feature called fillet. Now see, just go for the fillet. It is asking to select the multiples. Just select. Just apply the radius, just R, enter. The radius is 5, just 5, enter. Now just choose this line and this line. Just escape it. Now just go for the fillet. Just go for fillet. First apply radius, R, enter. Already it is default is 5 is coming, just 5, enter. Now just go for the multiples. This line. Just escape. Just go for again fillet, R, enter. Radius is 5, just 5, enter. Just go for the polyline, P, enter. Now it is coming radius, but this radius is not correct one. Control Z and Control Z. Now we can make simply the circle, from that we can get it. Just go for the center and diameter. Choose this one. Specify the diameter as 10. Similarly, just go for the circle again. C, enter. Here we choose this triangle. The radius is same 5. Again go for C, enter. This is the triangle one. Just select it. The radius is 5. Simply again C, enter. This point, just 5, enter. That's it. Now just remove the unwanted edges by using a trim tool. Just remove this one. Remove this one. Remove this one. Remove this one. This is also. Here also we just want to remove it. Just remove it. Now we have created the complete sketch. Just go for escape. It is come out from the previous command. Then we just want to specify the center mark. Just CM, enter. This one. Here. Here. And here. Now we have created the center mark too. If you want to modify the center mark features, just select the center marks one by one. Then go for right click, properties. Here scale type you can change it to 10. Cross gap it is showing, just simply increase into 1. Just have a look once what is happening. This also make it 1. Right extension, left extension, by giving it, I am just giving 3, 3, 3 and 3. This extension, it will come as extension in all the sides. Now just go for escape. Now see, this is the way it will come. Now we'll go for applying thickness. Just simply select all things. Just apply the dimensions. Just apply thickness to all the model. Go for bilayer 0.35. Just show the thickness. Now you can able to see the thickness. This thickness we need to modify it to default. Just go for here. Just specify the default one. Now we can go for applying the dimensions. Just go for the linear dimension. The maximum width is 40. Now see. Now we just want to modify dim style. Just enter it. Just go for modify it. Symbols and arrow make it 3. Text also make it 3. Primary units make it 0. Just say OK, then close it. Now we can see the dimensions. Then one by one just add the dimension. The maximum length is 75 and maximum here, this length is 55 and this radius is, further just go here, radius, this radius is 5 and this radius also we can specify it as 5. Then this dimension is 20. This dimension is 20. Then this chamber we need to specify it. For that just go this one. Select this feature. Here. Just type the value as CHA space 10. Now this property is very small. Just select it here. Just go for the property. Overall scale you just make it 5. No, just 3. Then you just close it. Or you just simply go for dim style. Dim STY. Just enter. Just go for modify. This also make it 3. Say OK, then close it. This is just select it and go for properties. Overall scale you just make it 5. Yes. Now just close it. The size again we can increase. Just go for properties. I'm just giving 7. Or 10 we can provide. This is standard one. Then close it. Now we can specify. Now we have specified this chamber also. In that we have finished this model. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share to your friends. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.